Is everybody getting breakfast? Yeah. Uh-oh. Someone got on the other side of the door. Hi, Hearty. The little girl's on the wrong side. Yeah. There's the little boy. Yeah. Everybody's ready to eat their food, huh? Where's Mommy? Out roaming around hunting or something? Yeah, I don't know. There's Lil Nut too. You wanna say hi to the big kitties? Lil Nut will run right out. Hey, Lil Nut, that's not a way to say hi. Yeah. Try to scare your little friend? Yeah, look at everybody munching. The little boy just wants to play. Zoomy. Everybody's old enough to enjoy their dry food. There's Mommy. Hi. Hi, girl. Wow, there's Mommy. All right, Mommy. Hey, Mommy, everybody's hanging out together. Yeah. Ah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Look at the babies, huh? Everyone's eating. Yeah. Everybody's eating their food. Yeah. Good breakfast time. Good breakfast time. Yeah, Mommy's a good girl. There's the girl. Yeah, that's a little girl. Mommy always lets everyone else eat first, too, before taking her spot. Good Blackie. Good Mommy girl. Yeah. That's the boy. Hi. Hi, little boy. Did you get enough food, big boy? Did you get enough food? Yeah, his ear's looking really good. Yeah, but his eye isn't too good. Yeah. Got a little eye problem, huh? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy, big boy. Yeah. You done eating already? Huh? The biggest of the kittens is still munching. She's pretty big. Look at that. Hi, gal. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. You're a big kitty. Where you going? All the way around? Oh, you come back over here, huh? Hi. Hi, big girl. Yeah. Hi, big girl. Pretty kitty. Yeah. How'd you get to be so big? Huh? You're bigger than your brother and sisters. How'd that happen? What's that? Yeah, you gonna go hang out? All right. Go by your sister. There's mommy girl. Did you have enough food? Huh? Did you get enough food, Blackie, mommy? Pretty girl? No, still wants more. She just wanted a quick petting. Brother and sister. Whoa! Zoomer. They're everywhere now. Zooming around. Right, Mommy? They're zooming around like crazy. Yeah. Good girl. Good Mommy. Good Blackie Mommy. Everybody had their breakfast. Now it's time to play. Whoop. He fell right down. Where'd he go? He fell. Down he went. And she. Now they're on the lawnmower again. There's Daddy making his rounds. He usually lays down somewhere over in there. Here comes Mommy to supervise. Now it'll be playtime in the grass. Look at Mommy. Everybody loves you. Yeah, everybody loves Blackie. Good girl. Blackie is such a good girl. Have a great day. Back to mommy. Little boy's just hanging out. Oh, that's the girl. I thought you were the boy. Two little girls with mommy. Good girl, mommy. That's the other girl.